I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today I'm going to show you how I will style my undercut in two different ways. So first up, we're gonna push it forward, and afterwards we're gonna make some quiff textured kind of slick back. So first I'll wash it and then I'll apply some products and styling techniques. Now it's time. My hair is damped, towel dry, and I'm going to apply some pre-styler. In this case it's the sea salt foam called Neon. I'm gonna use a couple of pumps. It's about spreading it evenly in your hands and in your hair. This product, it smells super good. I think a little bit like apples. So we're going for this texture and volume, styling it forward. I have the giant comb. And I have the skeleton brush. So I'm probably gonna create some waves in the bangs, some texture all along. Now it's time to use the blow dryer, and I'll go for high heat and high power. Now my hair is blow dried and we have a lot of texture and lift according to the pre-styling and applying heat. And now it's time to create some separation and texture with the Revolution wax. This is some of our secret mud waxes infused with nice perfume and loads of hold and texture. So let's apply it. Like this. And side to side. And now you can see we have the undercut going on here, and the top is going to get a lot of texture. It's almost like the hog undercut but longer on top, and we have more separation and texture going on. We're almost there. It's about getting the right amount of texture. Alright, I think we're done. Keep in mind that the bangs should be supported by a lot of pre-styling rather than hair wax, so it will not clump together and fall down during the day. If you think it's too long on the top, you can always take your bangs and just curve it a little bit back, and you'll get still the same nice wave going on, but it will not stick out that much. Now I'm going to show you how to remanipulate this style forward hairstyle. I have not done anything with the hair except applying the neon foam in the pre-styling and as post-styling the Revolution wax. What you're gonna do is to apply more heat, and then we'll style it backwards into this textured slick back hairstyle. And for that, I'm probably gonna use the XL comb to help it get more smoothly backwards. Now I blow dried my hair backwards in position. So it's time to create more texture and give you this textured slick back look that we are looking for. It was really easy with the heat from the blow dryer to remanipulate this hairstyle. You can also do it without a blow dryer. It just takes a little bit longer time and you're not 100% sure that it will bend all the way backwards as desired. So now I will apply a little bit of more wax, even though we can probably come a long way. We already melted the current wax into the hair. I will use half as much as I used in the first scoop because it's already pretty stiff here. And now I'll just go from side to side here so I can get most texture. think we're done with the hairstyling, but first I'll just apply a little bit of hairspray. It will keep it more into position even during the hottest weather. So brief round. There we go. Alright guys, the 2 hairstyles is done, so please let me know which one you like the most, the first or the last. As always, you can be a part of the secret giveaway for nice by Vilain hair products. You just need to write in the comment section down below about this hairstyle, what you think. Give the video a like and be a subscriber, and we'll pick a winner in the next episodes. See you guys next time.